A and S. Hey, New Yorkers, this is an invitation to anding, an andvitation, if you will. The Ampersand is coming to the Big Apple. We're going to take a bite out of you. That sounded mean, but honestly, we're coming. And by we, I mean me, Erika, the host of the Ampersand, and producer Tim.
Hi. So Erika and I are coming to New York to put on what amounts to an anding event. We are going to set up a bunch of experiences to bring out the anding in those who are able to come.
You're going to get all the feels because we're going to kick up the nostalgia factor.
Love nostalgia. Love a good mixtape.
Yeah.
I love the way that cookies take me places.
Yeah. Oh, I just thought of a bunch of cookies. And the one I had to pay for, that I had to pay them back for. I remember, I'm thinking of Espresso Roma. Do you remember when Espresso Roma was on the Hill? It's before your time, I think,
don't.
Tim. Yeah, where the Point is now, across from the corner, was an Espresso Roma in the early 90s. Okay, are you listening, New York-anders out there? Do you remember Espresso Roma and their really good chocolate chunk cookies? That's what we're talking about. How do you be in New York and be in Boulder in the same time? We're excited to bring that to this event.
Excited to bring some Colorado air.
Right now it's smelling like super, when it gets hot, the pine needles and the mulchiness, the dried pine that kicks up as you're walking.
I think we're going to try really hard to bring the feels.
We'll bring the feels. It'll be sweet. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye, New York.